Welcome to the ultimate car crash compilation for 2025. Viewer discretion is advised as this video does contain car accidents. This person had tried to overtake these two cars and it looked like the car in front had the same idea. Who is at fault? This driver thought it was a good idea to change lanes without checking if there was a car there. In this clip, the Ultima driver seemed to have lost control, but instead, he pulled off the coolest 360 in the middle of the highway.
Oh my god! And he's back on the road. Oh my god!
In this clip, it seems like no one likes to pay attention to the road.
Oh my god!
Starting route to car school bus now.
This dumb driver nearly caused a massive accident because he was speeding into an intersection without paying attention. Now I'm really starting to think that people just don't like to check before entering an intersection. That could have ended way worse. This clip shows how even the smallest bump can cause a fatal crash. This next clip shows how recklessly weaving in and out of traffic can end sometimes.
Keys.
You know where I keep my keys?
Is it in the little drawer thing?
Yeah, in the little drawer thing, and it's the silver key. Oh my god! Holy
What happened?
oh my god! A accident
Okay?
happened. Holy this guy! This guy was racing and went between two lanes and just slammed.
This clip is a good example on why you shouldn't drive recklessly, as innocent people who were driving on the road were affected by this person's selfish choices. In this clip, you can see a biker speeding past a driver who seemed to have gotten scared and swerved into the side wall. I don't think this guy is having a very good day. This next person who is speeding down a country road cuts off the driver with the dash cam and then gets instant karma.
Yeah, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
This clip is proof why speeding is just not worth it. This driver seemed to have gotten impatient and tried to run the stop sign, but just ended up looking like an idiot. These people were just calmly driving down a turn, where there was another car trying to overtake someone, and nearly caused a terrible front-end collision.
Overeating. So, yeah. My friend's gonna be so. Whoa, god damn. Well, that was almost a accident. But every time you're a dodge.
Here's another clip of a reckless driver thinking they are in a BMW.
First of all, it's interesting to use the word watch. There are no cameras in the federal courtroom, so it's hard for me to know tone, it's hard for me to know how the questions were asked. We get transcripts, we get reporting. I don't think the prosecution or the defense did anything wrong. I think it was excellent lawyering on both sides. Now,
This truck driver merged onto the highway without checking his blind spot and nearly caused a bad accident. This person was driving down a narrow road where a car was driving the opposite way of traffic, causing a sudden brake. The car behind the driver was not paying attention, so he ended up rear-ending the car. This next clip shows a car driving the opposite direction of the highway. A collision at this speed can be deadly. This dashcam footage shows a white car road raging and aggressively brake checking this driver. This next footage shows how street racing can go terribly wrong. Here is another crash that was occurred in panic.
I know that the coroner's office hasn't been this busy since like the 1830s.
This next clip shows a driver who really didn't want to miss his exit. I think this person might have thought that stop signs were optional. The driver, making a left turn, seemed to have fallen asleep.
That's fantastic. They attempted to use Pope's grandfather's capitulation with the British during the war, then a farm burned down. It went nowhere. The Pope team were able to find plenty of evidence that Ezekiel was very loyal. He'd become sheriff and everything. Equally, of course, the Democrats tried to attack Clay, because they'd done that and they'd do it again. But it did very little. I mean, Clay was so well known, there's just nothing new. Everyone knew everything they needed to know about Clay, and they either supported him or didn't. So that didn't really go anywhere. So, after a slightly disappointing election, the result week came along. This is 4 days where the states would report their votes. Pope was at home, awaiting the news.
This Cybertruck decides to do some very strange things and run a red light just for the light to turn green a second later. The biker seen in this video was allegedly illegally lane splitting and then had decided to start brake checking the dashcam driver.
Get somebody to, you know. But how long did you know him before he played you in the movie? I didn't. You didn't know him at all? No. I mean, did you get to meet him before he played you? I mean, oh yeah, we met. I guess we met maybe 3 or 4 months before we started shooting. Kind of talk to you. Oh yeah.
He then gets faced with instant karma. This man started road raging and thought kicking vehicles would do something. This next clip shows 2 people road raging, almost causing a head-on collision. In this clip, a car is seen dangerously overtaking cars in a small village.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, also, I'm glad you're here for this, BBJ. This has to do with 4th of July. So you're not going to a cookout or anything? No, nothing. We just stay in unless something comes up last second. Here's a hot dog guy. Yeah, no, I eat them so often throughout the year. I just kind of take this day off. Yeah, often to people. You told us before that a lot of times when big holidays roll around, and I consider this a big holiday. Oh yeah, your family leaves town and leaves you behind. Yeah, so my dad left town on Father's Day. Smart. Really enough. Yeah. It wasn't your mom known for Thanksgiving. She was known for Thanksgiving and Mother's Day. And this year, I don't know. They haven't told me anything. It's just leave it. Yeah. So you don't do any of that. Do you like a barbecue? I like a barbecue and fireworks. I don't stay up that late.
This clip shows 2 idiots getting instant karma by an undercover cop. This impatient driver causes an accident that could have easily been avoided.
What's the name of this steak place again? I mean, hibachi place?
Ichiro's or something.
This seems like quite a distance.
He turned into his lane.
Oh my God, and there's fire trucks up there. He probably needs a witness.
Yeah, I know.
Better pull over and get him a witness.
Nice move, X-Lax.
Oh God, no, now this doesn't look good.